Hello, and welcome to another TA Tech Tip. In this Tech Tip, we will be discussing the calibration of the film fiber probe on the Discovery TMA 450. Covered topics will include calibration of the probe, the temperature, and the coefficient of thermal expansion. Before calibration, the film fiber probe must be installed. See the linked Tech Tip videos for installation of the film fiber probe and performing the force calibration before starting this Tech Tip. Each calibration can be completed through the Trios software or by using the touchscreen. We will walk through the steps within Trios. The probe calibration compensates for various probe types. Therefore, probe calibration is performed every time a probe is changed. Specific to the film fiber probe, you will see that there is a checkbox for auto offset. The auto offset calibration must be completed during the first use of the film fiber probe. By toggling the auto offset checkbox on, this will enable additional measurement during the probe calibration. This calibration will compensate for the thickness of the stage platform and the upper portion of the probe. Before you begin, you will need the 5mm gauge block. This is provided in your calibration kit. Start the probe calibration as usual. When prompted, you will need to insert the 5mm gauge block. With auto offset selected, Trios will automatically calculate the offset to compensate for the thickness and apply a calibration factor. This calibration will apply to any future length measurements while using the film fiber probe. Once calibrated, the auto offset does not need to be changed unless you reset the instrument parameters or use a new probe and stage assembly. The temperature calibration is based on a run in which a temperature standard is heated through its melting point. First, verify the thermocouple position. For the film fiber accessory, position the thermocouple tip so that it is at the middle of the sample length. For the temperature calibration, you will prepare an indium wire. This can be accomplished using cleaved aluminum balls or the included film clamp. The metal wire is crimped into cleaved aluminum balls. Indium wire is malleable. Clamp down with only enough force to grip tightly, but without breaking the wire. Trim the excess sample after crimping. The recorded melting point of this standard is compared to the known melting point, and the offset is applied for temperature calibration. The CTE calibration is based on a run in which a known material, such as aluminum foil, is heated at a constant rate and the dimension change is measured. For the CTE calibration, you can use aluminum foil and the film fiber clamp. Verify the alignment. After loading the sample, check that the clamp is properly seated within the probe and stage. Look at the measured length. Using the sample block, samples should measure around 8, 16, or 24 millimeters. Typically, a ramp rate of 5 C per minute is utilized over the region of interest to generate the calibration constant. In this Tech Tip, we have covered how to calibrate the film fiber probe on the TMA 450. Please stay tuned for more helpful TA Tech Tips, and thank you for your interest.